but ke abana abaninzi ke bathi Sompisi otherwise and artist nami ke ndingokwampundu ngwalapha eNxafuni but ndakhulela eBerlin so but ke ezinye nezinye nizaziva xa nimbuza imibuzo. Andayiphuphi ke yona ke nje ndiyamvisa. Hey. Hey. Tryna be something, just a regular who came out at night. Now that like everybody, I'm poppy. Got a big drip on my head, it's big running. Gotta be one, tryna be something, just a regular who came out at night. Now that like everybody, I'm poppy. Got a big drip on my head, it's big running. Whoa, turn on my wrist, whoa, hey, hey, whoa, turn on my wrist, whoa, hey, whoa, turn on my wrist, whoa, hey, whoa. Body outside, on my road to make mama proud of me. Niggas be dissing, I look at the scene. They got no rock, but still wanna fuck with me. Bitches beat that people, so get no vibe with me. Bitches out running, ain't catching nobody. How you let street me, I still wanna try it. Give me a gun and I'm pulling my plate. Got me for Reagan, I time me in press. Leaving my dream and ain't taking no press. Taking three, but I'm getting no chest. Call me so big that I'm beating my chest. Take on my beatings, I'm doing it back. Tell me money ain't giving no chance. Gotta be some song to break every chain. I'm keeping us deep. Blowing that time to get us deep. Like a fresh paper weed. If you my nigga, you gotta be real. Fuck if you fake me. If you my nigga, you gotta be real. Fuck if you fake me. Tell me gotta be one. Tryna be something. Just a regular whole thing like that. Now let's go everybody to me, I'm popping. Gotta be drip on my head, it's been coming. Gotta be one. Tryna be something. Just a regular who came out at night. Now let's go everybody to me, I'm popping. Gotta be drip on my head, it's been coming. Whoa. Hey, hey, whoa, hey, turn on my bros, whoa, hey, hey, whoa, hey, turn on my chick, whoa, hey, whoa, hey, turn on my bros, whoa. Chasing that beat, they call you ready for chasing that chick. Right from me, my name, my city. Talk about so we gon' feel like it's me. Bitches be cash, I'm getting my pen. Gotta be careful with this bitch and that grace. I need a check. Like I'm CDs, I need it best. Call me something that I'm using my phone. Call her like that now, take her my color. She thinks she a 10, man, that bitch cannot fuck with that one. I'm in bed. Don't ever see my tape. I'm from Emont Coupo. I'm from Emont Coupo. Hey. I'm from Emont, hey, hey, tryna be what, tryna be some, just a regular Pokemon at night. Now there's no Eddie, but to me I'm popping. Gotta be drip on my head, it's done. Gotta be what, tryna be some, just a regular Pokemon at night. Now there's no Eddie, but to me I'm popping. Gotta be drip on my head, it's done.
Okay, Imagesist.
My question. What is the reaction abazali bakho xa bemamela ingoma zakho? Or do you ever like let your parents listen to your songs?
Like to be honest, bakhona ingoma enqonda ba okay oleta ngimamela when it comes to it. Bakhona izinqondo kodwa ile. I never shy not again, but yeah, yena uba proud yena. Uba proud kakhulu and bulela ngesupport yakhe.
Okay.
Iminyaka emingaphi sengumculi?
Okay.
To be honest, into yami yomculo angikwazi uyibala kahle iminyaka just because of I think ngibhala first track ndana 16 ngicala bambhala first track yami. Then ke into yomculo but ke ngangibhalela i-beat then ndingayi studio. But into ye-studio izoqela ke ngoku xa ngilapha kwelitsala incoko search uba xa ngifika esikolweni ko-grade 9 ndifunda bensongo ndidibana nebras xa ngifika ibras zazinala app malefoni kuthiwa so mina zine-beat so I was like okay bras khandinike i-beat nindike le-app and give me a week ndibone uba ndingenzani so ngiyiselo hlobo but then through up join amapiano
Okay.
Numbers are tricky, man. Numbers are tricky, but yeah, ndina 21.
Excellent.
Bra, ever since ke ngokubhala yabo. So i-tracks zakho wena like wena like utrate njani track bakhona ababalala bavuke nayo bekhona balibamamela i-beat qomba hayi ngaske niyibhalele le beat wena like wena wenza hlobo luni?
I think like sometimes it wasn't very okay, nansi try. I think inspiration when it comes to like ngiyakwazi ngithi nihle namajita sometimes it is namajita bekhona ever since lo nto lamajita is an inspiration okay mhlawumbe whatever ithithwe ngumjita yeah iba nje inspiration.
Excel yami okokuqala ngifuna ubuza intona kuba ngabe ngakwenza ukucula and in the next 5 years ufuna uzibona uphi nomculo wakho?
Honestly, into eyandenza ngicule I think I don't know. just because of into bendikhula nayo yeah like even soqala ngisemncinci ndandithi bangilamntu xakhala ingoma apha endlini ngithathe roll on isijonge esibilini and yabo yeah so ndaphele ndibona okay I'm in love with this so ke ngoku yavela ndifikela nje okay makhe ndizame e-studio so then ke ngoku but ke after 5 years ndibona I think ndibona ndiqubela Lamborghini after 5 years and I professayo ndithwana ndizibona nami ndisemazingeni aphezulu I want to uplift i-Xhosa wave Monty kaSoul so yeah
Ewe.
What is the whole point of you doing this?
Excellent.
Okay. To be honest, le nto kum ingandikhupha entweni eninzi. It could be my butter and bread and isegazini ngoku. So sendenza ngokuyithanda at the same time ndiyazazi uba ekugqibeleni ndilindele ugaina something and buy mama yendlu whatever those things like that like nditsho be-role model like nakwintwana zasecade ezikhulayo.
Sure. You may proceed.
To be honest, ayoyami ingoma but ndikuyivesi yakayangayizo but akekho lapha feature yakhe ingoma igama layo iGuto 6. Let's go. Whoa, we be like, whoa, we be like, whoa, we be like, whoa, we be like, whoa, she be like, whoa, whoa, Uguto 6, mucho abandonado, nami ndayiba, siyaningana, ifuthi ngapha nje kubanzi, uza nebeef yakamama uyangichaza, there's story nayiba manqazi, yani maluma, angowalapha, ngine game, akhe with the I go like my baby, she's sexy. She said I'm sexy. Got a mother drinking Pepsi. Yeah, bad bitch, sweet big things, bad chick, really sexy. XO, acting like bestie, but I'm moving too fast, testing. Got these things spacey. I'm still sexy Buddha. Breaking the wall by a good moving whole batting at his Akajuga. I'm flowing in the booty, getting cold, and I'm praise of Suda. I go.
Yes.
And the song. Yintoni enimotivate enibhalele ngoma?
To be honest, i-feature navela ndayixelela ndisekhaya, so andimazi na uba wayebhaliswa yintoni, but checking through lyrics yabo kukuzinantsika, because I felt like uba le ngoma ithi bhuto sexy mos. So even though like ziba nintsi challenges sidibana nazo high school, yakwazi mhlawumbi ukuthi gqibana nentombazana kuthiwa yo umbila bhuti zibona sexy nje. How come? So I'm trying to boost myself and give myself that confidence. But okay.
Okay, like ufila njani like xa uperforma like phambi kwabantu like ufila njani?
Uyoyika unegwababa, uyavuya, uyathini.
To be honest, like xa ndizawuperform noba into egwaba kube 2 minutes qha, only 2 minutes, because I think I was born for this. Sometimes ndiyakwazi ngakugigi vele ndingabi nayo negwaba nje excited nalawe uba okay ndiyafuna uperforma ngoku right now, like I'm hungry for like performance. And ya loo nto abanye abantu abaninzi bandithandela loo nto uba okay ndinala confidence.
Ni question enza kubuza yona noba ngabe khona iproject emasiyilindele ko some like EP, mixtape. Zeziphi artists oqonda ba mhlambe uyabawela usebenza nazo like 3 like ezalapha eMonti noba ngubani na?
To be honest, project endinayo ngukhuphuka for now. Ebeyibambisa idrop but sezakhe ngiqale ndiyipromote and ndishoot iivideos ezininzi until ndiyipromote. But eyona artist endibawusebenza nayo apho kwecala like khona uDynasties, Nomalanga, khona nonikhulayo kuthiwa nguDola, like yo laway andethwa ngokuthi ngabe nqoza abankosi yamazwe wasekapiti kakhona mna ndikwivesi now. Akatalwa iya izopawa asekaba let's go iya izopawa let's go asekaba asekaba Akatalwa, no praise, I've none done. Come full of over the ring line. I'm a just in 20 pass away, bantra. When I have a full of glad gaza, send you up to full of one bang. If I get to trouble, ya banka. What you should want to ya papa. Akatalwa, don't be really on up. Of you, mama, spend it, full of come exact code 9. And I just get with the next time is all Akatalwa. Talk tonight, and she a fist. No, that she want me in between. Got many of those can't breathe. Keep on telling me I'm a different breed. Tryna get my cup full of lean. Tryna put my foot in gasoline. Tryna get my shine Vaseline. Tryna get my drug Vaseline. Funny beef, the book, that's a boss, that's a loss. People ringing, got a nigga, fucking boss. Smoking everybody till I overdo. Smoking everybody till I I'm saying one jaka, I've got tapa. If I'm not to tell you, pretty good, like more push.
mabi jogi bozo TikTok game isi photo boni TikTok jogi photo sakata I'm saying down akata if I want to move kwapa sakata izo papa I'm saying kapa I'm so kayapa Akatangapa Inamizo Kawa Aksikaba Akazukaba I just want peace, I know Akatara
So, okay, when I'm like, who is your biggest inspiration? Like, balloon to inspiration, la way,
Like I would think is Honesty C for now. Just because babaninzi bakhona noma chaza like most of it rappers understand. In fact, most of it Xhosa rap, but we Xhosa trap about like inspiration. Elo hlobo.
like bro apha kule career yakho yomculo yabo like yeyiphi into ofumanise kuba yabo hey le way uthi woyijonga yabo iyakuchallenge la way yabo
Very good question on live. Money. If I money, some of it is near resources you want almost from another. Before no we studio session, before being studio session, belibene money to battle project, which is game system. So we have baza and buy money challenge. Just because of this platform, tingi money, what about no was dropping this.
On media platforms, ufumane kaphi? Also, do you ever, do you have like a YouTube channel? Media platform yakho njani? Where abantu befuna umamela more of your music, bawufumana kuphi wakho?
For now, Dafumaneka ku YouTube channel and Real Zombie CSA and voice snippet and stuff, videos like that. Dafumaneka ku TikTok. So na Facebook definitely is dropping link pana abantu babone Dafumaneka pa Zombie Cotton. Yeah. Okwangoku but ndisafuna uzama ezinye platforms like nando Spotify kanje and lezi so tsala mamele first Xhosa trap yami le ngalo ali
Utufuna bantu funa me, 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 utufuna bantu funa me. I go zombies, I go, 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 I go zombies, I go. Let's get broski. Don't I have a copo in calling shots on my tongue and enjoy. The rappers are falling in line, coco coming on. But these pretty girls like so sweet, big boobs, big yash, big dick, girl sex. I do my tongue, I'm running it off my tongue, I use it. I got a sauce, something that she told me I'm sweet, to fun on my feet. Push back, why did you win? Now fuck any pressure, and I just release and I'm watching the pizza. What I'm eating is a okay, I just need to fruit, go police, and I'm fucking the top, I have this and this. I go, I have the Moses. I'm a cheater, I'm a size, I'm a this guy, I need to buy my business, no. I'm hanging sepa njengelungelo big zoom funa imali ila ching nabo 16 niggas want beef ngicabile angishalile chomi zanibazi angizwe panele yabapapazi nigga man fit nala that thing put it on God thing on my spot thing color this thing now I make God niggas want smoke step on his spin I'm sipping the jaws I left my door kids fellas and kids nala that thing man on guys boy I'm from the ghetto man income man and all love I don't even like bitches from the cause none read me I don't like rappers as a class cause they boring shit I was on this 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 I was on this
Emani mnganam, uyimpisi number 1 ufuna ukutsho when it comes to this name. Yeah. So my question is, how did you feel after ugqiba ubhala le track njengomXhosa ubethi Xhosa track for the first time? Uzive njani mnganam?
First of all, qala le ngoma layibhala ndiphansi kwe-pressure just because of ikhona into eyenza banofresh kumkani apha ka-1 so ndandileqa khona ndayibhala 2 days before lanantsika so kwamele ndibe kanti ndisestudio njengomsomeli ndibe kanti ndiphana qala ndakwazi ukuphumelela but ke uqala kwami urekhoda le ngoma ndiyive nami I was like damn like I was like I was so pissed like if I was in like indika la way but okay I want to do this and ndizibonile ba because bengayenzi Xhosa trap I was doing amapiano andazibona phaba like I'm good most na ku trap I'm good at trap so ngiyafuna uqhubeke ngiyafuna uplift Xhosa trap yasemuntu ngokwami
Anyway, ucinga ntoni like the state se-game right now yabo like as a hip hop cat uzisisho yabo like ucinga uba mhlawumbi hip hop ingaze ibuyele kweza glory days yayi kuzo like around 2013 2014 15 16 17 because if uyabona like everywhere khalipeyana like ucinga zindoni mhlawumbi izinto ezilekhishayo like for a hip hop fumanise kuba iyakwazi uba ku-mainstream ela hlobo lamapiano because ngoku amapiano everywhere.
So your question ngapha like yabona into yasibetha kakhulu apha kwi-hip hop revolution ukutshintsha kwegame ekuhambeni kwexesha so qala sasine-rappers like abantu abanantsika like i-real hip hop makoyazi before but then ke ngoku ever-since ngenxa yokuhamba kwexesha so ke ngoku izinto zatshintsha kwakho le trap and stuff like that but I think mna ngokubona kwami ngokubona i-numbers besides yonke i-hip hop ngokubona i-numbers apha kuXhosa trap bazinyuka ziba high like ingabuyela kwesa stage only if nobana i-Cape Town ingakwazi usebenzisana neMonti
when it comes to your name like eligama lakho wena like Sombisi like I think the old school actor leyo ne yeah when it comes to your name yabo wena like what it njani na elogama
to be honest le gama like nxa ke ngikhulile ngibonile lot of people like zikhona rappers needs some of them Gonlil Banbani, Young Banbani, all the stuff and that I was like okay fun different and you would say like if now about my mouth Sombisi and be like don't like your mouth Sombisi really trap bra you'd be like okay Sombisi you have one amusuiva just because the name is different and the name has a confidence apha so now uzafuna like bona ngubani manje Sombisi kuthethwa ngayo so ke I think ela gama lafika ela hlobo like ndandifuna uba different nabanye abantu. I'm trying to be a different breed. Ndiyakhe ya ndizenzele my own thing. Ndingafani nabanye abantu.
lapha wedwa ngibona ikhothini kwenzeka lona kwi-bras kwikhothini ngaba ikhona i-rift ethile ekhoyo kanye nje i-bras zifocuse kwi-career zazo individual because wonke umuntu uyafuna uzenzela iwe yakhe.
Ukuzithetheleli ibras kolocala ngelithi zibhizi
Exactly.
ixesha elininzi, but to be honest yeah, besiyi-cotton gang sibaninzi senza umculo, but then wafumaniseka uba sangamajani, so izinto longoku za-different, sabona ngendlela e-different, so umntu ngoku aqhubeke wenza into yakhe esecaleni, enza into yakhe esecaleni. Saye kuba yilaa gang le ibibambene, salibala uba okay jonga le gang kakade sasiyenzele ntoni kwaqala, because sayenza uba ngento yokuba sifuna like, because wonke umntu wayi-talented phaa, even bani individual, wonke umntu phaa wayirepa, omnye atrapa, omnye wenza nayo, kwakhona nee-dancers, so ngokuba like andayabonza but nam ke ndazama ke ibuzi legengi ubheka phambili bakwenzela ntoni. I don't know, but ke zibhizi zona iibras to be honest kwelinye icala. Abanye bayafunda baku-matric, abanye benza ezinye izinto, abanye bayaphangela, so
Ngaba influence mhlawumbe phinde bekhona mhlawumbe project okanye ungafocus
to be honest, like we playlist yam like kwingoma endibawela uzikhupha ndibawela mna nziba okay ibe khona itrack ye-Cotton Gang siphinde sa-united again samanyana, and I promise namba loo nto leyo kodwa izakwenzeka, izakwenzeka nakanjani.
Sure. Now ngoma. Okay. So much.